Today we're going to learn everything about steroids. Stay focused. Steroids are often surrounded by misinformation and hype. You might think of bodybuilders or athletes, but that's not the whole picture. We'll break down what steroids are, the types, and their medical uses. We'll uncover the dangers of misuse and health risks. It's crucial to separate fact from fiction. Get ready to understand steroids and stay informed. What are steroids? Steroids are synthetic compounds mimicking natural hormones. They can act like testosterone or cortisol. Anabolic androgenic steroids, or AAS, are used in bodybuilding. These often spark controversy. Corticosteroids treat conditions like asthma and autoimmune diseases. Remember, steroids encompass a broad category with distinct uses. Let's focus on anabolic steroids, often associated with bodybuilding and athletic performance. In medical settings, they treat conditions like delayed puberty and muscle wasting. Misuse is common among those seeking rapid muscle growth or enhanced performance. But misuse leads to serious health risks like heart problems and liver damage. We'll explore these side effects and the science behind them in the next chapters. Let's talk about your heart, the engine that keeps your whole body running. You only get one, and it's not something you want to mess around with. Steroid misuse can wreak havoc on your cardiovascular system. It can lead to high blood pressure or hypertension. Steroids cause fluid retention, straining your blood vessels and heart. Over time, this can lead to heart disease, heart attacks, and strokes. You might be thinking, but these are just potential risks, right? The link between steroid misuse and cardiovascular problems is supported by scientific evidence and real-life cases. Long-term anabolic steroid use can increase the risk of heart attacks by up to 5 times. Athletes and bodybuilders in peak condition have suffered heart problems linked to steroid use. Andreas Munzer, a legendary bodybuilder, died at 32 from multiple organ failure due to prolonged steroid use. Your health is your most valuable asset. Protect it. Alright, let's talk about your liver for a second. It's like the body's filter, working non-stop to remove toxins. Steroids put extra stress on this vital organ. It's like forcing your liver to run a marathon every day. This strain can lead to serious issues like jaundice. Yellow skin and eyes are signs your liver isn't functioning well. Steroid abuse can also increase your risk of liver tumors. Remember, your liver is your friend. Take care of it. Steroid-induced liver damage can be silent and gradual. Symptoms might not appear until the damage is extensive. Regular checkups are crucial, especially for past steroid users. Early detection is key. Don't ignore unusual symptoms like fatigue or yellowing skin. Consult a healthcare professional immediately. Early diagnosis increases chances of successful treatment. Your liver is like a car engine. Constantly pushing it without maintenance leads to breakdown. Overloading it with steroids can cause irreversible damage. Avoiding steroid abuse protects your liver. Alright guys, let's talk hormones. Specifically testosterone, the hormone that makes you, well, you. It's responsible for muscle growth, bone density, and even your mood. Steroids mess with your body's natural testosterone production. Your brain thinks, hey, we've got plenty, let's shut down our own production. This can lead to hypogonadism, where your testicles shrink. Low testosterone zaps energy, kills libido, and can cause erectile dysfunction. Remember, you're messing with a delicate hormonal balance. Women who use steroids face a hormonal roller coaster, producing excess male hormones. This leads to masculinization, like a deeper voice and increased body hair. Hormonal imbalances can cause irregular periods, painful cramps, and even infertility. Women are not small men. Their bodies are wired differently. Using substances designed for men can have unpredictable and detrimental effects on their delicate hormonal balance. Let's talk about family planning. Steroid use can jeopardize your chances of becoming a parent. For men, steroids lower testosterone and sperm count. Prolonged use leads to testicular atrophy. Ladies, steroids disrupt your menstrual cycle. They can even cause early menopause. Steer clear of steroids for a healthy future. Steroid use can lead to unexpected changes in the reproductive department. These changes can be particularly distressing for women. Clitoral enlargement can cause discomfort and self-consciousness. Excessive body hair growth can be a real pain. And male pattern baldness is another issue. Messing with the endocrine system affects the entire body. It's a risk not worth taking. Steroids can wreak havoc on your musculoskeletal system. One major concern is tendon ruptures. Tendons connect muscles to bones, allowing movement. When you pump iron, tendons experience stress. Steroid-fueled muscle growth adds strain. This can cause microscopic tears, weakening tendons, leading to painful and debilitating tendon ruptures. Even young people can experience these injuries. Remember the potential consequences to your tendons. Teenagers, listen up, this is crucial. Steroids can mess with your growth plates. These plates are areas of developing cartilage at the ends of your long bones. Steroids can close these plates prematurely. Imagine your bones are like trees reaching for the sky. Growth plates are like the tips of the branches. Steroids tell your body to stop growing taller. You might end up shorter than you would have been naturally. It's not just about height. Premature growth plate closure can lead to skeletal abnormalities and fractures. Using steroids could mean sacrificing your full growth potential and bone health. Now let's talk about something we can all relate to. Our skin. Steroid use can turn your skin into a war zone. One common side effect is severe acne. Steroids increase sebum production, clogging pores. Steroid-induced acne can be widespread and stubborn. It can leave lasting scars, a reminder of steroid use. For clear skin, steer clear of steroids. And if you thought acne was bad enough, brace yourselves because it doesn't end there. Steroids can also cause your skin to become excessively oily, and as if that wasn't enough, steroids can also cause stretch marks. Rapid muscle gain can tear the dermis, resulting in stretch marks. They can be a permanent reminder of steroid use. Now we've talked about the physical damage steroids can inflict, but the damage isn't just skin deep. Steroid use can have serious consequences for your mental health. One of the most concerning psychological effects is mood swings. Steroids disrupt brain chemicals, leading to extreme mood shifts. Steroids can also increase aggression, known as roid rage. Now you might think that the mood swings and aggression would be the extent of it, but unfortunately, the mental health consequences of steroid use run much deeper. Paradoxically, while steroids can initially create feelings of euphoria and invincibility, long-term use can actually increase the risk of depression and anxiety. When you're constantly pumping your body with artificial hormones, your brain's natural ability to regulate mood and emotions becomes compromised. This can leave you feeling emotionally fragile, vulnerable, and more susceptible to experiencing the depths of depression and the crippling effects of anxiety. Imagine feeling a sense of hopelessness, despair, and loss of interest in things you used to enjoy. Imagine being plagued by constant worry, fear, and restlessness. These are just some of the debilitating symptoms of depression and anxiety that can accompany steroid use. It's a cruel irony that the very substances people often turn to for a boost in confidence and self-esteem can end up fueling the very mental health issues they were hoping to escape. Steroids can cause alarming external changes. It's not always about muscle gain. They can lead to unexpected, undesirable transformations. Let's talk about hair loss. Imagine seeing more hair in the drain. Steroids can accelerate male pattern baldness. And ladies, you aren't off the hook. Steroids can cause you to lose hair too. But it's not just hair loss. Women might notice their voices becoming deeper and develop increased body hair. The image steroids project isn't always the reality. Hair loss and voice changes are rough but manageable, but the transformations go beyond the surface. Hormonal imbalances can lead to drastic body changes. For men, this includes gynecomastia or breast tissue development. Imagine seeing that in the mirror. It's a huge blow to confidence and self-esteem. Women might notice more masculine features, their breasts might shrink. These changes can be distressing and make them feel less feminine. True health and beauty come from within, not from steroids. We've talked about the health risks of steroid use, but what about the legal side? Using anabolic steroids without a prescription is illegal in many countries, including the United States. Possessing or selling these substances can lead to hefty fines and jail time. Plus, buying steroids illegally means you have no idea what you're putting into your body. These drugs are often produced in underground labs with little to no quality control, posing serious health risks. The legal and health repercussions are simply not worth the risks. Now, if you're worried about steroid use, know you're not alone. Seek professional guidance. Talk to your doctor or a therapist. They can help with the physical and psychological aspects. Recovery is a journey. Surround yourself with support. Choose health and well-being. We've covered the dangers of steroid misuse, but what if you need them for a legitimate medical condition? Steroids have valid medical uses, like treating autoimmune disorders. Benefits can outweigh risks under strict medical supervision. Follow your doctor's instructions precisely. Take the correct dosage and attend follow-up appointments. Your doctor will monitor your health closely. Ask any questions you have about your medication. Using steroids without a prescription is illegal and dangerous. It's important to address the elephant in the room: steroid abuse. If you or someone you know is struggling, you're not alone. The pursuit of physical perfection can have devastating consequences. Recognizing the problem is the first step towards recovery. Seek professional help immediately if you notice signs. Talk to a doctor, therapist, or addiction specialist. Recovery is possible, and there's no shame in asking for help. Let's recap the hidden dangers of steroids. Steroids wreak havoc on your heart, liver, hormones, and mental health. Quick gains come at a steep price. Prioritize long-term health over shortcuts. True strength comes from hard work and informed choices. Knowledge is power. Make informed decisions about your health. There are no shortcuts to genuine fitness. Share this video with friends and family. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Stay healthy, everyone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Stay healthy and informed.